Hi friends, so guess what? I moved last year and I've been working tirelessly at creating a new space for y'all to come and cuddle and come see me and have sessions. And so I'm gonna take you through how you get to my place. Now, first things first, there's this gate. And this gate here will be closed when you arrive. So it's actually closing now. When I really do encourage all of you to, when you come, you can park here in the driveway, right? Just because it just provides some privacy. The street I live on doesn't have a lot of spaces for parking. If you want to back in, that's also kind of nice. Leave some room because I'll open the gate. This gate will be closed. And then when you come in, well, first, let me know you're here, right? So that I can know that you're here. Let's see, turn it around. All right, gate, close. It's a little slow. So there's gate. And then just let me know that you're here. I'll open the gate for you. First time you come, I'll come and get you. So no worries. I'm not going to ask you to do this entire walk by yourself. But then we'll walk together. But after that, yes, you can just come on through the second session and third, fourth, and 10th session. You'll come through. So this is where my family lives. And okay, let's actually show you what it looks like. So this is my space. Yay! Um, Part of the delay of getting this video put out is that I actually got this built. So about 30–40% of it was already a structure, and I added on and made it into a whole space. So you'll come here and come on in. Going backwards is kind of goofy. Now, I'm going to see, I guess we'll, since you're looking at me. So when you come in, it'll look like a kitchen space. This is kind of where I have all my stuff, all the fun stuff that I like to do. This is more personal things. Very, very nice. And here is the bathroom, which is lovely. I got to design it myself. I wanted a tub. I have a toilet and an outdoor shower. Most clients don't come and require the shower, so I didn't really think I needed a shower for anybody. But if you work in a job where you're like, you know what, the only way I can come is if I come after work and you need a shower, it is available. So there's that. And there's no sink in there, so if you do need to wash your hands, this is my multi-use, really, really cool sink. It is really, really cool. I was going to show off a little bit because it's like the coolest thing ever. So there's regular water, but it has that little cool thing, little fountain. It's just awesome. So there's that. Okay, so this is just, I'm not showing you the cuddle space yet, so I'm going to turn it around. And here is cuddle space. Okay, get a bigger view. Ta-da! Cool, right? All right, there's that. Okay, so when you come in, oh, another really important thing to note is there is this line here. It is a step down, so you have to come step down. Please be careful you don't trip, fall. Very sad. Okay, show you all. So this is the space. Again, I put it together. This is also my house. This is my apartment. This is me, right? So like you're gonna see lots of personal things. I sleep here at night. Like this is really, it is personal to me. So it's gonna feel very lived in. I think that's okay. I'll sit here. I had a window seat when I was a kid, so like this was really important to me to have a window seat. These curtains here can be drawn closed. Some people really look for privacy. Other people like to look out the window. Of course, in my woods, that's something that I really appreciate is being out in nature. So I get to appreciate that. Books, lots of books there's books on touch, cuddling, sexuality, all sorts of things. And then, of course, I have my own personal closet and belongings in that area there. But in a session, this is where it would be. So let me see if I can adjust a little bit here. This is where we would start. This is where we would end, actually start and end. I encourage people to come in and sit down, and we first have a conversation, and then after that, we could start with the session. And just as a reminder, sessions can be an hour minimum, all the way up to hours. So it really just depends on you, your time, availability, budget, and all that as well. So that is it. My new space. Thank you for joining me on that kind of shaky ride, and I hope to see you in a session. And I hope this made you feel a little bit more comfortable with what it looks like, so that you're not walking into some strange space, but really just coming to my home.